It's another similarity that draws me to the simplicity and the minimalism of Mississippi Hill Country Blues and soul food. It's the editing process. As a creative person, you have a lot flying around up there, and if you don't have restraint and wisdom, then it'll all end up jumbled up together, and it might make sense to you, but it's a mess to someone else. And so it's like when you're playing music, it goes back to like intention. It's like, what are you trying to say? What are you trying to get the other person to feel? What are you trying to get the other person to experience? And how can I do that in a very minimalistic and simplistic way so that it's easier for me to grab them with that? Also easier to put a million things on the plate, because you can hide. If there are 16 things on the plate, you can hide behind 14 of them. But if there are 2 things on the plate, they have to be perfect. They have to be handled with care. They have to be chosen properly. They have to be. It's the same thing with notes.